how to change Siri language on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Siri and search. Okay, tap this. Here in Siri and search and Ask Siri section, you can see here the language. And the language is set into English United States. So to change the language, you'll have to do is tap this. And you can see the option of language. So you can scroll down for more. And okay guys, for my example, I changed the Siri language into France. Okay, France, Belgium. So after you select the language, okay, back. And the language is automatically set on your Siri language on iPhone X. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed Siri language on iPhone X.